Hey, what's up YouTube? Houston here. And for those of you just finding my YouTube channel, welcome. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and that bell. And for those of you that's been following me and supporting me, salute. And for my faithful patrons, double salute. Now, today's video, we're talking about the best secured credit cards with no annual fees. And the reason is, like, you have these secured credit cards if you're rebuilding your credit and stuff like that, but they charge you all of these fees and stuff. So what I did, I decided to find the best secured cards that don't actually charge you no annual fees and all these other extra fees. Now, the first one is the Navy Federal nRewards secured card. Now, here's the thing about it. You do have to become a member, but here's also, I did make a video explaining how to become a member. So if you want to learn how to become a member of Navy Federal, put a comment below and say, hey, Houston, can I see that video? One of the things that I definitely encourage you guys to do, especially with Navy Federal, is open up a personal and a savings account. All right. So they pull your Equifax FICO 9. Now, that's very important for you all to remember about the FICO 9. Now, another thing about it is a $200 deposit in your savings account. All right. And one more thing that may be of help to you. Like I said, it's no annual fees. And you can qualify with limited bad credit. And it reports to all three credit bureaus. One of the things about it, like the points, it does have a reward system, but it's for every dollar you spend, you only get one point, and that 1 point is only worth 1 cent. All right. But here's the thing about it. You're still building a relationship with Navy Federal. So that's the reason the reward system doesn't matter. You can choose between a MasterCard or a Visa, and after 6 months, they evaluate to turn that secured card over into an unsecured card. So that $200 investment in a secured card can actually turn into a $2,000 regular card, unsecured card, within 6 months. Now, some ways for you to boost up your credit score. If you just want to go right in and start applying for some unsecured cards, you don't want to use your money and stuff like that, here's a few ways that you can do that. If you're paying rent, then you also can sign up for either Boom Pay or Rental Karma, so you can have your rent reporting. If you use your debit card a lot to get your debit transactions reported to the credit bureau, you want to download the app called Extra Debit Credit Card. If you have loved ones, or you can add authorized users to boost up your credit score, because this is FICO 9 they're going to be pulling from with Navy Federal. And then you have Experian Boost. That's going to help you. And also, if you're paying utility bills, gym membership, you're paying like Netflix, those type of things, Grow Credit will also help you. So that can boost your credit score up anywhere from 25 to 100 points right there. Now, U.S. Bank Secured Card. Now, with the U.S. Bank Secured Card, it is a hard pull, okay? And it does pull from TransUnion FICO 8. All right, but the thing about it, the limits on it go from 300 to 5,000. So if you're trying to get a real trade line, a real primary trade line, and you have bad credit, but you want a high limit, then the U.S. Bank Secured Card probably won, because it goes up to $5,000, okay? And then after 6 to 12 months, it actually graduates to a regular credit card, all right? And so, again, building that relationship. I like U.S. Bank. I've been banking with U.S. Bank over 10 years, and they're very generous in terms of helping you get approved for credit cards and giving you large dollar amounts. That's the reason that I like them. Okay, and they also offer business accounts, and which once you get their business accounts, man, you're talking about very generous. They operate almost like a credit union, to the fact. Like I said, only unfortunate thing, they do pull from FICO 8. Now, with Capital One Platinum card, they have the Capital One Silver card. Those excuse me, I had a typo there because it's $49 to $200 starting now. But they pull all three credit bureaus, which is your Equifax, TransUnion, Experian, FICO 8. Now, they don't charge any fees, and after 6 months, they start considering to graduate individuals, okay? And you don't need a Capital One account to apply with them. But one of the things I always tell people, the better the relationship you have with a financial institution, the better it is for you to not only get approved for a card, but higher limits. So that's the reason I try to encourage you all to open up a personal account, a savings account, and a business account. And they do offer business accounts. Now, you have Bank of America. Bank of America secured card. Now, with the Bank of America secured card, the credit limits go anywhere from $300 up to $4,900. The personal loans and credit cards, they pull your Experian FICO 8, all right? But again, no annual fees. Again, you're not paying all those extra fees. The things that you would need to qualify is a valid Social Security number, being a U.S. citizen, proper mail-in address, proof of mail-in address, and the money for security deposit. All right. You don't need a Bank of America account to apply for this card as well. Okay. And they pull from on the business accounts, they're going to pull your TransUnion FICO 8. So the reason that I'm talking about some of these cards, because I try to focus on the banks that not only offer personal accounts but business accounts, because you're trying to get as much money as you can from the financial institution. So even if you're starting out with bad credit, building a relationship, so as your credit gets better, you're able to get more money. Now, here's one that's very interesting. It's the State Department Federal Credit Union. Okay, and they have their platinum rewards, where at one time the State Department Federal Credit Union cards, they were not graduating. Well, now they graduate. In order for you, but you do have to become a member, and the easiest way to become a member is the American Consumer Council. Joining them, and then you all become a member. Now, there's no hard pull because you can apply over the phone. So they're not going to, on the savings account as well as with their secure cards, they don't do a hard pull on your credit. So that's good. No annual fees. And for every dollar you spend, it equals 1 point. Now, again, the card graduates to the Platinum Rewards credit card between 6 to 12 months. All right. The unfortunate thing about them, they don't offer business bank accounts. That's the only thing about it. Now, understanding why I'm talking about the FICO 8 and the FICO 9 credit scores is because depending on the institution and what they're doing, like with the banks, like I said, with Capital One, U.S. Bank, Bank of America, those are going to use FICO 8. And with the FICO 8, they use FICO 8 bank card, okay? And it's very sensitive utilization, but also like if you have a 30-day late, but that's the only one you have, the credit report is not dinged as much. The unfortunate thing about it, like it doesn't count in authorized users, but if you have a collection account under $100, it won't penalize you for that. Okay. And then on the FICO 9 medical collections, on the FICO 9 medical collections, public records and stuff are now counted in. Also, if you have collections accounts with a zero balance, those aren't counted against you. Rental history, that can help build up your credit. That's the reason I told you about those five or six resources to help you build up your credit. Utility bills, adding utility bills on your credit report also helps boost up your credit report on the FICO 9. Also, with authorized users. All right. So for those of you that's just finding my YouTube channel, again, welcome. Please remember to subscribe. For those of you that's been following me and supporting me, as always, salute. Thank you.